Can I ask you a question?
Yes, absolutely.
Do you think that is this the first time the world has faced a problem simultaneously throughout the whole world?
Uh, well, how do you compare them to World War One and World War Two? They also simultaneously, but maybe not to every individual. In terms of like it
Well,
touches every human being on Earth, this may be the first time.
yeah, and also we all are facing the same problem, whereas during wars, people face each other. They're each other's problem.
Well, I am worried about that this is a virus, but we're making it an imaginary war.
Yes, I think that's a problem. On the
I
other
mean,
hand,
in
it's not we are making it that. Maybe our politicians are, but I don't feel that, we're not, um, I don't feel that people feel that way, that they're against other people. In fact, I think people more feel they sort of realize, in some sense, they realize the same way that they realized when they saw that picture of the whole earth, that there's a lot of other people that are in the same boat they are.
Well, I'm not saying that this particular imaginary war is necessarily negative, because in history, we always see that when there is a common enemy, people get together, right? This is seem like the first time the entire Earth identified a common enemy, even though like a virus has existed forever. We live with virus all the time, but there was not a political, social togetherness in identify one virus as all as a common enemy of all humanity,
So
which which is
will that
interesting.
permanently change us because we face for the first time we've or at least we've realized we're facing a common enemy before. I think we've done it. We've had a common enemy before, but I don't think it's happened quickly enough or people were aware of it enough. I mean, certainly, one can imagine that global warming might have done that, but it's done so slowly. But this causes a lot of people to realize they're sort of in it together in real time in a way that I don't think we've ever been before.
Well, in terms of environmental issue, it is also like when you talk about global warming or the clean air, clean water, it's also a common enemy. It's just it's more long term. So it's not as urgent. And this one is like now that is making people all reacting to it. But I'm hoping like this would make us realize there are many other common enemies that we have for the survival of humanity that is out there so that we will deal with it in a more coherent or collaborative way.